I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your target. Pick industry, revenue band, and geography so you focus effort where it pays. Once done, pull 3 source types: LinkedIn, company websites, and 1 aggregator to cross-check names. Make sure to draft a 20-30 word pitch that states value, not features, lead with benefit, then add a single call to action. Start outreach immediately, short, relevant, and timed to the recipient's time zone. This increases open rates and establishes momentum. You now move into careful research and verification so your messages land in real inboxes. First, derive email patterns and use an email finder. Then verify with SMTP checks or LinkedIn name matches to avoid bounces and spam flags. Once verified, plan a sequence: email on day 1, a LinkedIn touch on day 3, and a phone call around day 7. This cadence balances persistence with respect. It improves reply rates and keeps you compliant with spam regulations. You finish by converting contacts into conversations. Log every interaction in a CRM, tag status, and schedule next steps so no lead falls through. Follow up with 2 to 3 concise messages over 2 to 3 weeks, each one offering clear value and a simple ask. Keep language active and time-bound. If responses are poor, troubleshoot by adjusting subject lines, shortening the pitch, or switching target segments. That one change often unlocks better engagement, so test fast and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.